The Tech21 Evo Check case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Tech21 Evo Check protects drop after drop, contains FlexShock, 12-foot drop protection, lifetime warranty, ultra thin, Samsung Galaxy Note 9, designed for Samsung in the official font, so you know this is legit. Flipping it over in the back, you can see some information about the case. Take a good look at that if you want. FlexShock. Tech21 Evo Check, designed in London. So let's see what we get inside. You have a little tray here, just slides right out. And on the inside right here, that says you'll probably drop your phone more than once. Don't worry, Tech21. That's pretty cool. Here's the case. Put the box to the side, and here it is. Now on the inside of the case, you have the check pattern. That's why it's called the Evo Check. And see if I can get in close. On the inside of the case, you have their proprietary FlexShock material. It actually says that on the inside right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it says that right there. And that goes around the case. All right, so let's go ahead and put the Galaxy Note 9 in and check it out. The phone squeezes right into the case. And first impressions, I gotta say that adds a good amount of grip to your phone. Nice and grippy this case is. Raise buttons for your volume and Bixby. Raise button for your power. On the bottom of the phone, you have your cutouts, so check it out. Now some of these Tech21 Evo cases, they sag a little bit in this area, but I'm looking at this one right now, and it's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Take a look at that for yourself. There might be a tiny bit, but that's hardly noticeable. Like you're not gonna notice that. Access to the S Pen. No issues pulling it out. Put that back in. On top of the phone, you have your cutout for your microphone. Let's go ahead and check out the button tactility. Power button. Oh, now this one is nice and clicky. Yeah, this one feels good. Some of these Tech21 cases, the buttons might be a little hard to push, a little mushy. This one, I can honestly say, has a good click to it. Very nice. Volume rocker. Nice and clicky as well. You can see the ringtone volume change. In Bixby, that works, but I don't use Bixby, so I'm gonna close that out. Flipping the case over, on the back side, now this looks good back here. It kind of darkens the purple of the Note 9, but you can still see the Samsung and Galaxy Note 9 branding on the back. And on the bottom here, it says Tech21 right there. Yeah, this looks nice back here. You can kind of see the check pattern on the back also. Yeah, this looks real good. I am digging this. Now access to the fingerprint scanner. I just did it a second ago, but put your finger on there, it works. I'm gonna do that again. Not a problem. And let's check out the front lip of this case. You have a good amount of front lip here. Take a look at that. So you put this phone flat on a table, the glass will not touch the surface. If you have tempered glass, even better. So this is the Tech21 Evo Check case for the Galaxy Note 9. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.